Do you love the sea?
Yes!
Well, today we will be making an amazing under the sea pop-up card.
Wow! That's so cool!
So stay tuned and let's get ready to go under the sea. There are lots of amazing creatures under the sea. Let's get started. You will need a brown card, some blue tissue paper, craft glue, a pair of scissors, and pictures of sea creatures and coral reefs, the word sea on craft paper, different colors of paint and paint brushes, a few pieces of cardboard, and some markers. Oceans cover more than 70% of the Earth's surface. Let's get started. Step 1. Fold the brown card in half, ensuring that the fold is straight. Step 2. To attach the blue tissue paper onto the brown card, please follow the following steps. Cut in the shape of a wave. Layer each of the 3 blue tissue papers to form waves. Glue the blue waves one behind each other to form the waves of the blue sea. When gluing the blue tissue paper, make sure that it extends above the folded brown card. Step 3. Now get your sea creatures ready and glue onto the waves. You can also use some cut up cardboard if needed to hold the sea creatures up. Ocean animals are also referred to as marine life, ocean life, or sea life. Step 4. Now glue the letters that spell sea onto the bottom end of the card. Step 5. Now fold the card so that the tissue paper and sea creatures are on the inside. Use the paint to decorate the front of the card. Our favorite sea animals are dolphins and starfish. What's your favorite sea animal? Let us know in the comments below. So what do you think about our under the sea pop-up card?
Let us know in the comments below.
Well, we have to go now, but thank you for watching and please remember to subscribe to our channel. See you all next time. Goodbye!